Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you something now which I find quite funny, and I first noticed this when I started driving about 20 years ago. And what it is these people who drive everywhere at 40 miles an hour. It doesn't matter what the speed limit is, they just do 40 everywhere. So I'm currently on the road where the speed limit for me in this car is 60, and I'm doing 37 because there's a car up front who's doing about 40, that white car you can see there, and they're just crawling down the road. And I bet you what's going to happen is that when they get to the 30 mile an hour section, they just keep doing 40. So these people go from slowing you down to speeding, and it just makes no sense to me at all. Why do they go so slow on roads like this, where you can easily go faster? I mean, I've been down here at 50, 60, it's perfectly safe because you can see well ahead. If it's a clear day, you can do that. Now I'm doing 41, 42, and this car in front is slowing everyone down. And I bet you, see the car's braking there, that silver car's braking. Why are they going so slowly? This on a driving test would be undue hesitation, because they could easily go faster. Look at the traffic jam they're causing, and I'm keeping way back, but look at that silver car's braking, and I bet you in a moment, I guarantee you, they're going to stick doing 40 miles an hour in a 30 zone. So they're going to go from driving too slow and getting in the way to speeding. And I've had this before when I come the other way, and you get cars behind you flashing the lights and pushing you to go faster when you're doing 30 in a 30 zone. You get to this national speed limit road and they start going slow. I think, well, I speed up to 60 and the car that was flashing me to go faster just keeps doing 40. And you think, well, I thought you wanted to go fast, so I'm going fast, and now they're going slow. So anyway, here we go. We'll get to the 30 zone in the distance. The white car's coming to it now. I'm sorry, I haven't got above, 42 was a high speed I got to there. And now I'm going to slow down, watch the white car, it's not going to slow down, so I'm slowing down. And just as I predicted, that white car and all the others are now doing 40 in the 30 zone. How can you miss that sign? Look, it's a massive sign. It's actually just been put up. And look at it, the white car now is not even in view. And this is exactly what I mean. That car has gone from slowing everyone down to now speeding. I just don't get people like that at all. Why do they find it so hard to see the number? Look, I can't even see them now. They're all putting away speeding when before they were going too slow. I just don't get people like that at all. I mean, to me it's obvious. Look at there on the right, it says 30. So you look at your speedo, that should say maximum 30. I just don't get these people who can't understand that. Like the car the other way was doing about 40. And look, the white car now, you can't even see them. Where are they? They're about half a mile away now. So they've gone, the point of this video is, they've gone from doing 40 in a 60 zone, slowing everyone down, now they're speeding down the road, going like 10 miles an hour. I can't even see them, look. Where have they all gone? Why do people find it so hard to simply stick to speed limits? You can tell I'm not speeding, because if I speed, this car beeps, it just goes beep, beep, when you break the limit. How do people find it so hard to simply stick at the speed limit? I don't get it. Look at them. Where are they? They've gone. They've completely gone. And what normally happens is you catch them up in a moment. You get to a roundabout, sometimes they're stuck in a jam. But yeah, I just thought I'd mention that. I just wonder if anyone else has ever noticed that. The what I've always just called 40 drivers, they just have a set speed of 40. So on the motorway, they do 40. On the country lane, they do 40. On the 20 zone, they do 40. And they just drive everywhere at 40. Makes no sense to me whatsoever. But there you go. That's one of the kind of drivers you'll encounter on the road. So thanks for watching. And they're not stuck at the roundabout, they've actually gone. But normally this is where you catch people up. Anyway, thanks for watching. And as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos. There they are, look in the distance. Can you see them? So I ended the video and I thought I'd record this. You see in the very distance, the white car is just giving way after the roundabout. So just in case you're thinking they're turned off, I know people might think, oh, they turned off, they didn't. There they are in front of me. That's the same car, see the white and the silver and the blue. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon for more videos.